Hello dear friends and children. Today we will learn our first poem, that is vehicle. Let's start. It's aeroplane, aeroplane,
Aeroplane, aeroplane,
up in the sky.
up in the sky.
Where are you going?
Where are you going?
Flying so high.
Flying so high.
Over the hills
Over the hills
and over the seas.
and over the sea.
Aeroplane, aeroplane,
Aeroplane, aeroplane,
please take me.
please take me.
Okay, just repeat me once again.
Aeroplane, aeroplane, up in the sky. Where are you going? Flying so high. Over the hills and over the seas. Aeroplane, aeroplane, please take me.
Oh, nice. Clap, clap. Please like and subscribe our channel and share for more videos. Thank you.